Hi, I'm Stephanie Erickson, clinical social worker and family caregiving expert. And this question comes to me from Christine from Kamloops, British Columbia. And she asks, how do I ask family and friends for the help I need and get it? Well, caregivers are under so much stress and pressure coming from so many different angles. And sometimes they have a hard time identifying each individual stressor and a possible solution to obtain help. In order to ask for help, first we need to be able to be clear on what it is that we actually need. So I suggest that you write down all of the responsibilities you have as a caregiver. Identify which ones can be delegated and put a D. Identify which ones cause you the most stress and put an S. Identify the ones which take more time than others and put a T. And if you're able, identify your priorities and put a P. Now you want to write down a list of all the family and friends who have given you help in the past, who have offered to help you now, or who you think may be available to assist you, and put his or her name next to each task. Once you're clear on what it is you need and who is going to be the best equipped to provide it, it's time to reach out to each individual family member or friend, and you have to be clear on what it is you're asking them to do, and it should be just that one thing. Unfortunately, people really don't want to provide assistance because they're concerned that so much will be dumped on them. And people are more willing to provide help if they don't feel like their assistance is too big or it's going to last for too long of a period. So I suggest that you ask someone for one task and give them a time frame. For example, would you be able to prepare 2 meals a week for me over the next month? Or can you take mom to her physiotherapy appointment once a week and I'll manage the other 2? Then after a month, that person may see that all of their help and their assistance that they're giving you is going fine without any difficulty. I encourage you to be open and flexible when accepting help. You may think that a neighbor doing and folding your laundry is not something that would reduce stress. But if you can find several of these smaller things, it will add up to more time for you and you'll have less on your plate. You'll find your stress level reduced and it will allow you to do other things for yourself.